job. I'm just gonna put this on here.
Wow.
Good job. Do you want to turn on my camera for me? You push this button right
Okay,
here.
button push kara. Oh, wow, good job.
You say ah.
Kara.
Good
Wow.
job. Go right here and take a picture. Good job, buddy. Do you want to look all the way up at the
And
sky?
back at it. See?
Good job.
अब फेरि मुनिबाट गए.
Good job.
Wow.
Right over here. And I was over here.
Hmm.
I'm gonna go in this little tickly spot. Oh, two more.
Okay, 2 more. अझ दुईटा अरे.
Open a little bit. Good job.
आन भाइ नरोको नि. फेरि आँगर.
Stay super still for me. Good job.
Look at me.
All right, last one. All right, go
अब लास्ट one.
Good job. Very quick. Good job.
Wow.
You are all done with
So,
that part.
these are the pictures. Right. 6.
Good job. Let's go grab your weight and then we can go get your teeth cleaned.
ल उठ.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sit right on here for me.
Okay.
Good job.
34.8 LB. Good. यता हेर. Wow.
Alright. We're
Look,
gonna
let's
go
go.
down.
Yeah, let's go all the way down. Wow. Look. Wow, good job. Look, let's see the bus.
मम्मीलाई कल गरेर देखाइदिनु न
मम्मीलाई कल गरेर देखाइदिनु. ओके. अब कति लाग्यो नि आन्दालाई नि. ल यहाँ पनि छन्. यहाँ अरू पनि छन् हो. अब आन भाइको के गर्ने हो आज? यी गर चित सफा गर्ने नि. आन भाइको युट्युब च्यानल के हो? गर
Close. You close?
Wow, look at me and bye.
1 second, the girls gonna come brush your teeth, okay?
Okay, man.
To point to see. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna do, okay?
Okay, man.
You wanna see it? This is the toothbrush and it's squishy. You wanna squeeze it?
गर स्क्विज.
You can squeeze it. You can
गर
touch
न
it.
हातमा हो.
There you go.
Wow.
That's it.
फेरि गर.
Yes. Nothing hurts, right? Yeah. So come see your hands because I'm gonna turn it on. Yes, I'm gonna turn it on. And it shakes just a little bit, okay?
Oh,
Good. So you can feel it?
feel it?
I'm gonna feel it. I'm gonna put it on your chin, okay? Yeah. And then we're gonna try your tooth. Say cheese.
टिथमा आँगर.
Like that. Okay?
Wow.
But I'm gonna put some toothpaste in it and we're gonna brush every single tooth, okay?
नुन नगर एकचोटि. है यसो गरेर.
That's all.
Oh. Thank you. ल नुन नगर. Wow.
There we go. I'm gonna scoot you up. You so
Look, look at
stinking
him, man.
cute. Woo. Go
Wow.
ahead, lay back, lay back. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
There
Wow.
we go.
ल अरू
Right there, there we go. And we're gonna brush just like this, okay? Okay?
आन भाइ मानेको त सबै नि.
All right. Say ah.
Ah,
There we
good.
go. We're gonna start
Oh.
brushing every last one, okay?
ल बा बा बा.
That's it. We gotta get the back one. That's all. Yeah,
कति
that's
गुड
it.
भएको हो आमामा आन भाइ त नि.
Good job.
हो.
Good job, buddy.
आन भाइ नरहेको नि. ज्ञानी भएको नि. ल ल ल ल ल ल.
Good job.
आहा.
Can you turn this way so I can see? This way. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
आहा. आन भाइ कति ज्ञानी भएको नि.
And then open big, big, big.
बिग ओपन गर हो.
Say ah.
गर.
Okay.
ल बा बा बा. आन भाइ ज्ञानी भएको.
Yeah. Say ah.
गर. आन भाइ नरहेको नि. आन भाइ नरहेको नि. फेरि अब मुनिबाट अब डाउनमा
Good job, buddy.
वाउ
Yes, I'm keep going, okay?
गुड आँचीमा गर नुना गर अब आन भाइ नुना गर्नु
Say ah.
आन भाइ नुना गर आन भाइ स्पाइडरम्यान जसरी उड्न आँटेको नि सुपरम्यान जस्तो नि
Okay, stay right there. Don't move.
शक्तिमान जसरी नि वाइप
That's it. You're not gonna like it. It's okay. Say ah. Get my finger. There you go. Just gotta get my finger.
आन भाइ
Right
त
there.
सुपरम्यान जसरी उड्न आँटेको नि यहाँ है यहाँ हेर शक्तिमान हो
Good job, sweetie. Say ah. We're gonna floss a little bit, okay? Say
Floss, ah,
ah.
got it.
Just some string, just some silly string. Say ah, big, big, big.
वाउ
Good job, sweetie.
हो आगर अनि टिचरलाई भन्ने ल मैले दाँत क्लिन गरेको भन्ने ल
ल
Say ah.
आगर फेरि
Thank you. Gotta get back here, sweetie.
ओके
It's just
अब अर्को लाउने राइट
this is like it feels like cream, buddy.
ओके आगर
Say ah.
आगर हो खै यहाँ म यो होल्ड माइ ह्यान्ड ल
So this has to stay on for 4 hours, okay?
ओ ओके
And then he brushes it off. You're all done. You're all set to go, okay? Ready?
ल अब फेरि माथि उठ्छ नि आन भाइमा हेर है ए बस न सुतिराख न वाउ
Good job, buddy.
यो त हेर
Here we go.
दाँत देखा यहाँ हेर यस्तरी वाउ त्यहाँ क्लिन भएको नि ब्रस नि
This one?
द्याट वान
You can have it.
ग्रेट वान
Go.
वाउ अब यस्तो ब्रस गर्नु ल घरमा गएर ल
ल
मिकी माउसको हो होइन रहेछ
Oh yeah. So this is his school form.
टिचरलाई भोलि स्कुलमा दिनु ल
ल
ल जाउँ अब स्कुलमा आऊ खै
You did so good, buddy.
अरे हेर बाई गर्दा सबैलाई उता भाइहरूलाई बाई सी यू ल जाउँ
Bye, buddy.
ल जाउँ ल लेट्स गो एन भाइ
हजुर
एन भाइको आज के हो
पियानो
आज आयन भाइको दाँत सफा गरेको नि
मेरो मम्मीलाई भन्नु
भन्ने अनि डाक्टरले के भन्नुभयो आयन भाइलाई आइसक्रिम नखानु अनि के नखानु भन्नुभयो
चकलेट
अनि
आलु फ्राई
अनि
पाप्रिका
ब्रस पनि दिनुभएको छ डाक्टरले नि अनि सफा ब्रस गर्नु ल
लाइटमा
नाइटमा पनि मर्निङमा पनि हो ब्रस गर्नुपर्छ अरे अनि डाक्टरले दिनुभएको नि अनि अनि आयन भाइ नरहेको नि आज हस्पिटलमा नि अब जाउँ ल घर अब जाने घर नि अनि घर गएर के गर्ने अरे आयन भाइले आइसक्रिम खानुपर्छ नि आइसक्रिम खानुपर्छ हो होइन गुड जब क्यान्डी पनि खानु हुँदैन नि क्यान्डी पनि खानु हुँदैन चक्लेट पनि खानु हुँदैन पप्सिकल पनि खानु हुँदैन अनि बिहान बेलुका ब्रस गर्नुपर्छ नि कस्तो दुध भएको नि बाई बाई डेन्टल आयन भाइको डेन्टल